I honestly forgot what it even feels like to sit down and film a full length video. Like short form content has literally been my go-to for foundation. So I'm using my Estee Lauder. I just love this foundation. It's super easy, it's full coverage that I like. I'm really gonna be putting it just on the bottom half of my face, and we're not gonna be using a lot. This is more of like an everyday makeup look that we're going for with the hack, but you'll still be able to get the point. So we're just gonna blend this in like so. Already looking better. We're gonna add just a little bit more. So do y'all prefer long form content, or do you prefer short form, like shorts, TikToks, reels? I guess for me it really depends on like the topic that I'm discussing, because some stuff you can't fit into 3 minutes. All right, so we have this blush, and the key I'm figuring out is to apply it to like the higher parts of your cheek. I'm going to be combining these two center colors here. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty, and you want to apply it closer to underneath your eye than you would normally, like so. And then I'm just going to use my finger. It's already getting. Let's see the other side. So what I like about this blush is that the consistency is nice. It has a nice color to it. So now that we have the blush on, now we're going to take the concealer and we're going to apply this underneath our eye like this, and a little over here. I said this was everyday wear, but it's turning into like a little bit. The key is to really make it so it's seamless and there's no like harsh line between the blush and the concealer. Like, look at that flawless transition. Now we can do the other side. And I like using the patting motion, especially if I'm using a brush. It just helps to really spread out the product and avoid those harsh lines. You could also use your beauty blender for this step. So I know I said we're trying this out, but let's be real. I kind of do my blush like this already. Now we have the concealer set. We want to find some powder. We're gonna be using the Derma Blend, and you want to take this. You could either use the puff that's in here, or a beauty blender, or a brush. And we really want to take this and just put it all in this area, like with a brush. So we're not like baking or anything, we're just fluffing this out. Coming together. Then you want to go in with your blush. So we're going to be using the Morphe palette blush, face palette, and a blush brush. I'm going to be using this one. I know it has some product on it, but that's okay. And the key here is to kind of brush off the powder with the blush. Brush it lightly underneath your eye. Flawless. So this is definitely, I would say, like the modified version for the everyday look, but it's definitely giving natural blushy cheeks. Like, we do rock this on the everyday. So what are we gonna do to complete this look? We're gonna throw on some mascara, and then we're going to fluff our brows out like so. Now let's take down the front of our hair. So what kind of content are y'all liking these days? Is it beauty content? Is it hair content? I'm still like shifting my content a little bit, trying to figure out where I want to go. But I wanted to do this get ready with me video and try that blush hack. And then I think this we're gonna bring up. We're gonna back these down. Back. Probably like, why this green scrunchie, huh? Keep the bang. But now we need to figure out something to do with the rest of our hair. Let's just do bow bun. And this piece keeps wanting to come out. I got a little scissor happy and cut myself some bangs. And I have some gloss on my lips. But now I'm ready to conquer the day. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're trying this viral blush hack and how it looks. And I'll see you in my next one. Toodles.